here from London for the road chef.
Yeah,
She said, $5,000.
To JA from London.
Yeah.
Alright, London. No, love only for respect, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see
And
that?
too, you know.
Yeah.
Because I know we are the thing that's going to London now, so you know. London love. Yeah, man, London. Love, you know. Only for respect, man, you see. Yeah, man, I think I'm kicking it, you know, because I need it now, you know. Oh! Yeah, man, you see me.
Them can't stop the youth, them for the party. Cause we are run to we go like a surfer. And no blessing just a flow like a water. So we have to give thanks to the Father. From we have Lord God, nothing we no shatter. Remember me could feed my son or my daughter. Me see things and times I get harder. One word of prayer, sufferation get slaughter. Preacher, help me Savior. Father pave the way. We see some brighter days. So man not stop praise.
Me don't know what them a pray about. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Dream team, one team. You know the thing over there, see me in TrenchTown, spreading the love. And as you can see, the family face is the same way. TrenchTown most talented upcoming reggae artists, them there. They know Van Ross already on Better Drugs. But I see two more new faces, Better Drugs Africa. Make me know what I go on and Van Ross. I will see a Rasta man here online.
You have Tibet knowledge here. Introduce yourself.
Yes, man. This is Tibet knowledge, you know.
Tibet knowledge.
Born and raised in TrenchTown here, you know. Take me a while to find the music, or the music find me, you understand?
Yeah.
It's a life, you know. Yes, man.
Alright, then now we have the Empress here.
All-star over there.
All-star, so she's an artist as well?
Yeah.
Stars among stars. Wow, good afternoon, world.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you know? Stars among stars.
Tell me name again.
Susan, stars among stars. Wow.
Oh, so
my name is Susan.
Is that your artist name?
Yes.
That's where it goes by.
Susan.
Yeah. So you have music out there as well too?
Yes.
Yeah. You see the hidden talent need to be seen now. You know, so well, we have good news so far. You know, I will still have to give thanks. Tom did say it to you. So you never know who out there will hear and see and know so that them like what them see. Yeah, I did say it to him, right? And so said so, and we have a donor who's on the program or watch it and them say them like the talent. Well, more than one call me get still. But someone here is making step. You know, you have GIA from the UK, them is a producer as well too, and also Carolyn, who sent a donation for it meant to be for you and Better Drugs, and the next Ras for go and Vice song, right? That is Flavor Flav. So Flavor Flav not there. Yeah, so that was in the message we session one. The three, you know, Better Drugs and Flavor Flav and Van Ross go and Vice. So you must know when I go Vice, right? So shall go keep the link with you see me, and as you not speak, right? Alright then, so the connection is there. So she sent 27,000 here from Carolyn, and GIA from the UK is a producer as well to GIA from the UK. and this is 27,000 from Caroline and GIA from the UK. So when you count it first, so you know it's 27. It's 27, right? Yeah, so that's GIA, the producer, and Carolyn also from the UK, who sent that donation towards you and Better Drugs and Flavor Flav for record tracks, you know. So they might keep the link, so I'm helping up on the career, on the journey, and we get many more contacts saying the same, so future looking bright.
So yeah, we give thanks to GIA production, you see it, and Miss Caroline for the support and for the strength they are giving us, you see it. Yeah, we give thanks to it, and we give thanks to Dream Team and the promotion again, so we can be highlight to the world, so we'll be able to get the sponsors and the support that we get. So give thanks to Miss Caroline and GIA for the support and constant strength and support. Yeah. More life, more strength, bless.
Van Ross.
Yeah, give thanks again, Caroline. You're doing a wonderful job with our career, and we give thanks for every strength you and GIA is putting into our career, because no one never noticed us all the while we were here until we come on the Dream Team. Understand? So we give thanks for every little single thing where you guys do, and we love the energy where you guys giving us.
Yeah.
I understand, so we're always going to keep the connection and keep it real as usual, and bless up all of the donors. Give thanks for all of the donors, because every little single thing you guys do for us make a big difference. I care how small it is. So
we are blessings, you know, it's really a blessing.
Give thanks for the blessings.
Stars among stars.
Yeah. Susan,
Kino.
Yes.
Them could take the track for themselves, you know, them bring up on the road, say mama.
Yeah.
You know, give thanks again, yes.
The knowledge, we met the world here too, you know.
That's our house.
You know, and we have tell them again.
Tibet Knowledge.
Tibet Knowledge.
Look on YouTube and go and subscribe to Tibet Knowledge Music.
Yeah. That name just sound like a whole heap of meaning though.
Yes, man. Yes,
Tibet Knowledge.
I have a lot to send to the world.
Yeah.
A good message, a good knowledge.
Yeah. We have stars among stars here, man. We met the lady here give us, you know, an insight on our talent which have been hidden inside TrenchTown. So we are trying to spread it outside now, you know. Yeah, so you're Susan. Stars among stars, you know it goes.
Whoa! Stars among stars. Our world. Give thanks again. We can't stop give thanks, you know. The road rough and it's smooth. Give thanks again. Our boys, our girls. Stars among stars. Motivation, elevation. A build we build a better nation.
True.
Just live it up, now give it up. Lord boy, just live it up, now give it up. Stars among stars. Just live it up, now give it up. Righteousness must proceed. Proceed. Just live it up, now give it up. Lord boy, just live it up, now give it up. Stars among stars. Just live it up, now give it up. Righteousness must proceed. Proceed. Why them a deal with say me can't take that? Why them a deal with say me can't take that? Hey, gunshot a beat man a forget down flat. The baby pan the bed say them no response for that. The devil send them come out, Jah was right and spot. And what about the love? You know I hatred that. A full time we live up and just clean up we act. Full time we live up and just clean up we act. Hey, just leave it up, now give it up. All stars, just leave it up, now give it up. Stars among stars, just leave it up, now give it up. Righteousness must proceed, proceed. And tell me what we fighting for. Love and unity, no war. And that's all I'm fighting for. Yeah. Praises to His Majesty. Only love can set us free. Jah make you and Jah make me. Just leave it up, now give it up. All stars, just leave it up, now give it up. Stars among stars, just leave it up, now give it up. Righteousness must proceed. Proceed. While them a preach corruption, them a teach. Me tell the youths, them fi stand firm on them feet. Jaja send we come fi trample the beast. I love the answer, nothing else now go do it. Just leave it up, no give it up. Just leave it up, no give it up. I want me a warm up again, you know. When I give up, you know. See the baby them here, them wake me up, you know. Me that sleep, you know. Yeah, the whole vibe and the whole thing. But we are looking, you know, we work hard for the same way, you know. On the track, you don't know. Stars among stars. My voice sound trembling.
You know, at the nerves, but it's part of it. We're only human. We're only human. So we got talent there. We got more talent here, so I can say we be rolling with the team because the team recognize your song. So we a group together then, right?
One TrenchTown.
One TrenchTown. Now we have to bet knowledge. I'm gonna make the world seek some of my knowledge right now. I'm about to put out there in the consciousness where I'm gonna preach. See it?
Tell distraction. You know in a them faction. Tell distraction. Fill out the pump action. Tell distraction. Me no in a them faction. Tell distraction.
Follow the pump action.
And my life, Lord me make me live it. Me take charge all the time, me a give it. Me out there, pan a spliff and a driffy. To back knowledge, the name with the giffy. The man with many colors. The name with many colors. Like Ishmael, the same Joseph. Me meditation higher than them towers. Tell distraction. Me no inna them faction. Tell distraction. Fill out the funk action. Tell distraction.
Me no inna them faction.
Tell distraction.
Fill out the pump action.
Sure.
You never hear follow fashion get left. Stop boast, stop big up your chest. Inna the devil works you find in trace. Now you down a jail and a ball and a bakes. Rat and roach you a crawl pan your chest. All know me can't see who you want in praise. Now you if you say you need a better liar. In a bright light, me hear you want invest. Tell distraction.
Sure. Distraction. Distraction. You know negative stars among stars. You know negative is a distraction. You know it's
one song for them in a Kino.
Alright then.
So we give thanks for everything. So I'm gonna left off with our song.
Man now stop prayer. Help we Savior, Father pave the way, we see some brighter days. Man now stop prayer. Help we Savior, Father pave the way, we see some brighter days. Hey, them can't stop the youth them for the party. Cause we are run to we go like a surfer, and no blessing just a flow like a water. So we have to give thanks to the Father. From we have Lord God, nothing we no shatter. Remember me could feed my son or my daughter. Me see things and times I get harder. One word of prayer, sufferation get slaughter. Preacher, help me Savior, Father pave the way. We see some brighter days. So man now stop preacher. Help we Savior, Father pave the way, we see some brighter days. Yeah, my brother.
Drugs, stars among stars. Here she say, pure stars right here. You know, they have better drugs. You know, with the rolling thunder voice. Youth.
Savior.
Turn bond together, youth. Yeah, talents in the ghetto youths. We push them out, youth. Yeah man, look, we all do this together, you know, give them a strength. No matter how small them is, I could ever promote them song when they hear it, you know, the thing go already. You know. So you see I give them a small preview. A small preview of the review.
Oh, we didn't forget. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, let's give them something.
Yeah, make we give them the same song. Alright. Yeah.
He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High
Ah.
shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty.
Mighty.
Joe! Rastafari.
Aye.
Sufferation like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Hey, and poverty is like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Yeah, corruption is like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Hey, it's like a drugs in the system. And get to you, them have a victim. Hey, and sufferation like a drugs in the system. And get to you, them have a victim. Hey, and if you feel you never hear, you're not listening. And mama ball when him talks, them missing him. Hey, me say this world is very Jedi. Yeah, and them I wish for see we dead eye. And bad mind want for fool with your palette eye. Kill you for your things and tell your mother say you red eye. Police them want murder we. For make we doubt and even heard away. Shot we up for we dead in the surgery. We in a coffee in a funeral ceremony. Them want the last, no one for see the first away. Hey, them want for see the worst away. Yeah, them want rapid burst away. My mama looking at the years away. Hey, and sufferation like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Hey, it's like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Hey, and bad mind is like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Yeah, it's like a drugs in the system. And get to you, them have a victim.
Yeah, why? A guns out, look like it is a guns out. And all of the thugs, them have them guns out. Say out of the place, people are go runs out. East from west from north, who are runs out. Them moving in hardcore. Them coming out, they get to kicking off door. I'm already in a ceiling, body pan floor. Say, oh no, mama can't take it no more.
Hey,
Drugs in the system. It's like a in the system. Yeah, it's like a drugs in the system. And get to use them have a victim. Hey, poverty is like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system.
Better drugs.
And bad mind is like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system.
And the system divide and rule the people. And the system build war amongst the people. And the system murder George Floyd. Don't take a look the Android now lie. Now the Prime Minister claims a God title. The ex-president leaves something for your stifle. You, if your things say you lie, then stop pay the pastor if you read the Bible.
Sufferation like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Hey, bad mind is like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Yeah, sufferation like a drugs in the system. It's like a drugs in the system. Yeah, it's like a drugs in the system. And get to use them have a victim.
And when we talk about drugs, I know better drugs.
Straight.
You.
Yeah, the musical drugs.
Yeah, the musical drugs.
The better drugs are the best drugs.
Are the best drugs. So we talk about drugs.
Bob Marley come tell you when it hit you feel no pain.
Yeah, you know where I go. So we give thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
Well, we give thanks to all, we give thanks to all, blessings to GIA and Caroline from the UK.
Yeah, manners and respect, Caroline.
Yeah.
Every time, GIA, every time.
Ups and runs.
Stars among stars.
Yeah, so bless up Flavor anyway, the same way. So
Mafia, bless
music
up
will carry
Bless
on.
up Flavor.
Flavor. So it's a dream team, one team. I know it's the only real team. Then blessings. Yeah, man. Were me in the kitchen cooking chicken.
Make it work.
Hakim a cook, man. Hakim a cook today. Wow, chef, that's the second national dish.
Second
national dish.
I know a chicken back at the national dish.
Yeah.
Yes, man, you know.
And we see the starfish here.
Yeah, man.
The starfish without head.
Never see the head.
Never see the head yet. You ever see the head yet, Barney? Yeah. You never see the head?
Never see it, that's official yet.
Never.
Always.
Boy, that's why you see the head, boy, yeah?
You know, some see the head already. On Discovery, you know. No, man, on Discovery. Yeah. You see the head already, you know.
Oh. Yeah.
That everybody say, but me never see it in real life yet, you know.
Yeah.
Never see it yet. All the way I see the head upon your pan. And team when them call by YouTube name.
Please go everything. How name again? I'm not gonna try to remember that because I know where that come from.
Alright now, boy, they're telling the sweetest thing right now. It's going to hockey, you know. yeah, and really national dish I'm say, but for me, a second national dish. A chicken back are the #1 national dish.
Yeah.
A chicken back eat more saltfish still every day.
See there.
Yeah, man.
Wow, himself.
Once at a we eat saltfish, but we're gonna eat it now.
Yeah.
See there? 1 pound of saltfish with 7 dozen ackee. And when I cook, and every ackee having saltfish, I cook some supper with.
Mm-hmm.
So we have the carrot. Only for carrot, and we have only for things that we cut up in the ackee them, man.
I mean, see you.
So.
Where you say with the baked beans, see you here?
Yeah, the ackee, the baked bean, with the carrot,
Mm-hmm.
and with the Irish, copper Irish, you know.
Alright.
So history time or later, man, I don't know.
Later than my history time.
History time or later, history time, man, you hear that?
Yeah.
Are they called many rice and pizza ackee?
No, you know, some boiled product on leave, you know.
Yeah, some dumpling.
Some gunk product, tree product, you know.
Alright, so I have a list here, so from Jet to JA.
Jet to JA, see in general.
And see that she said, wow chef, 5,000 to hours, wow chef, home. From Jet to JA from London.
JA from London.
Yeah, so we have Jet to JA from London. What happened there?
Jet to JA from London.
Alright, so we have Jet to JA from London for the wow chef.
Yeah.
So home $5,000.
Jet to JA from London.
Yeah.
Alright, London. No, love only for respect, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see
And
it.
that too, you know.
Yeah.
Because I know we are the thing that's on London now, so you know. Yeah, man, London. Love, you know. Only for respect, man, you see. Yeah, man,
See it
I
there.
think I'm kicking it, you know, because I need it now, you know. Oh! Yeah, man, you see me. So that's on the ground, man, you see me.
Yeah,
And that's the day I run it off, so.
Yeah. We're gonna be in the kitchen
Cooking chicken.
cooking ackee. So we have Worm there going run it off same way. You know him take on the journey, take on the marathon. Cause I always tell him say this journey is a marathon, you know. You know, and the fittest shall survive. And the race is not for the swift. Who can do it? You hear that, Barney? Rather tell him say the race is not for the swift.
And not even the back for the strong as who can endure it.
Who can do
I
it?
have people still strong and him drop along the wayside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weak out.
Weak out. And everybody can control the system to keep up in it, you know.
No.
Some drop along the wayside.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I mean just
Continue the journey.
Right. See me I say?
As we say, you know, you always have the journey there to take on, you know, but so we can chat it with you.
You can chat it with you.
Guys, a very long road, you know. The man always say
Back
righteousness.
to go, you know?
Yeah. Righteousness shall prevail.
Yeah.
That's what we get. We give thanks to the Almighty for leading me into this purpose. You understand? I have to give thanks.
Get back big.
Yeah.
And chase it drop off the other day, you know, to no vibes,
Yeah, man, vibes kind of drop down my chest nowadays, you know, to go up, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid for the war again, you know.
Yes, you know.
Yeah, man. Thing neutral and natural, you know.
Only young and indifferent.
And feed the whole of them. And so where me I take on the journey, you know. I help feed the multitude same way.
Really good work, see.
Same way. As people them that say, yo, I'm a disciple them. You know. Yeah, man, so we are carrying the journey. I'm going to check out run from the work side, see me and say I'm circle down. Because I say my journey have to continue, you know.
They want to kill them, man.
You know.
I'm have to continue, man. This thing is real, you know.
Yeah.
Real, my deal with it. Real good.
God thing, you know.
God thing, yeah.
That's the thing, you know, that's what I rate about this, you know, because it's righteousness. It's anything unrighteous, it
Any
cannot.
bagger, you park them. Bagger, you park them. No bagger, it is real.
It is real. I'm going to see you, I'm going to say, you know, bagger, you park them. Park them like
Bagger in the thing.
Yeah.
Love the thing, carry.
Of course, oh,
Just you want to do it, you do it for the people.
for the people.
The donors and for the people.
Yeah, see, I talk to them, Barney.
Yeah,
You know,
man,
them always
he's not doing it for himself. He's do it for the people. And who want to endure it, he do it for. I still have enough people that swing on and then not faithful and true. I just saw in life go.
True,
And this man, you know, if I'm never faithful and true to people, him that broke off. Cause
Long time.
it's not an easy journey.
No.
Cause you have people love him and you have some hating. Cause them all say, boy, me come and say rate 1, 2. Them all say, boy, as some people him a did it for. Him a did it for everybody. Just come and explain yourself. And him put you onto the system and make you get through.
True,
It's not him a do it, it's the vote, the donors them. Do it. And when the donors them are full, they do everything what them cannot do.
Of course.
It's not an easy road.
Not an easy road at all.
Not an easy road.
But if you big up to the donors them every time, you know.
The donors them, you have to love them.
Of course. Cause our thing,
All of you have to love
over the years, you know, our program is very transparent. If the donor them send $1 come, them have to get the $1.
Yes. Get the money, man, carry them in front of the camera and say, see there, I get $1 for you, I get 50 cents for you. See there, show the donors them, say you receive your money.
Of course.
And you can see them get the money and everybody. Yeah.
True.
And when him put on, so you say put on some food and give the old people, even go around and give every old people. And that I stand up and say. I'm not in the team now, but I have a good member who stand up one side and
observe
everything and tell Kino so that is not right, that is wrong, and here so is right, and this is right. This is that and that is that, and him listen up to.
Yeah, true.
Everything.
Yeah, man, after man can never too big for learn, you know. And that's why our program.
I go youth, I grow him, and him come and turn a man.
True.
And you see it?
True.
Respect is still there from him. And to everybody in the community. You have some that grab, they say $1, them get half of the $1.
Yeah.
And put the next half of the fee impact, and the next one they get $2 and take one and put it. No, don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
Because see him like how them can send a donation for your member. I see me, them send me a donation, see him.
Right.
So why would I want a next man thing?
And when him get fee month too, him feed the youth them with it same way. Him don't take fee month for himself alone.
Same
if a man
way.
pass and say, Kino, and whisper something and even say, alright, I can go deal with something for you. And he never get that for share, he never get fee month for share for them. But him still share fee month, and that's where him live. Peace of God is eternal life here, son.
Yeah, man, every time, man. Respect, man.
God for you, man.
Respect,
God
man.
for you, man.
Argos. Yeah, Argos, man. Yeah, Argos, you, man.
Good youth, man. You can't good no more.
Sure. To give thanks, man, you know. And the righteous themselves shall prevail, you know.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm glad my program is very transparent.
Right.
You know, everything. So if
I'm going to tell him a thing about boy again. The boy have half a fish. And you come in and say beg a piece, him now say no, and he can't share but he can put some more season point and chop it off.
Yeah, just for share.
Go on again. And the next man still come and say, boy, none of them say, alright, hold this, I'm going to buy a pound more rice and come back, come cook it. So him stay. From before the team come in, and so him stay with the corner.
True.
Until he come and make the team for him and make him a good kitchen. A good youth.
Yeah,
God
true.
bless him.
Yeah, for real. Bless him, man. Bless up all the donors, they will make it possible along the way.
All donors, all subscribe.
So we have to love them, you know. That's the So we have to do it so the people them can go through. Right. So now going to so I go up on the work side. Whoa. You know we're going now. We're in the kitchen.
Ackee and saltfish.
Cooking today.
The kitchen is 90 enough, bro. The kitchen is 90 by Uno.
True.
And by Boya and by Kino, it's a 90. Anybody pass and say, big some food, them get it.
Of course.
Nah, so they say can't share. Them get it. That means not just Boya alone, it's all the donors.
Of course.
Yeah.
Everybody get it.
Yeah.
And Kino, remember to do that thing that you made.
Yeah.
Come on, big up yourself, man.
Alright, man. Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.